We're headed to the Queen's Bath. On our first day in Sorrento, we swam in the crystal clear blue water, and our friends Dave and Donna took us to an entertaining cooking class. We're Rich and Robin. We're exploring Italy from Florence to the heel of the boot. Follow along on our adventures in and out of our midlife van. After an eventful morning driving the van down narrow, windy roads, we made it to Sorrento and joined our friends Dave and Donna for drinks and shared our stories of the day.
La sofferenza nel corpo e nello spirito. Ave o Maria, piena di grazia, il Signore è con te. Tu sei benedetta fra le donne, benedetto il frutto del tuo seno, Gesù.
What do you got there, Rich?
I got
A little?
sipper up here.
After the day you had. Our campground in our rental van in Sorrento, and this is our campsite, and there is Mount Vesuvius. Rich, what did you buy?
I got some sunscreen.
You got some sunscreen for your nose?
So what does it say? Sun face stick.
Yeah.
It's my face. Protecting it from the sun.
Let me see it. It's a little bronzer. Ooh, look at you. You're so pretty now.
I know. Am I glowing?
You'll glow from your helmet. It'll be a good combination.
Oh, with your helmet, it's gonna look
Right?
beautiful.
I think that's
Where are we headed, guys?
We're going to the Queen's Bath.
To the Queen's Bath? We're gonna go take our first bath?
Yeah, I got problems.
Walking to the Queen's Bath from the campground is a 9-minute walk, but a small portion of that, I think 3 minutes, is via the road with no sidewalk. We got this. We made it! Now we're getting off the main highway.
The highway.
And that's the highway. Now look where we're going now, this little one-way. We're getting close, we're almost there. Oh, we're almost there, still almost there, but I see some blue. Blue. Is there a lift here to get me back? You're making it. It's about time. Let's go for a swim. I'm ready. I'm hot.
But it's not what you're made for, and there's nothing that is too late for. Out of the cold into my warm head.
We made it to the Queen's Bath, and I think we're gonna take a swim. I do.
You are my one. With a simple mind, we should find some more time. We don't need to worry at all.
Where are we at?
Queen's Bath. Have fun. Go see.
Everybody couldn't make a wrong turn. You waver and slip and you get burned.
We had a great lunch.
Yes, we did.
With our leftover sandwiches from Florence, and we had a great view as well.
We don't need to worry at all.
These are some steep stairs. We're going down to the cove. How many stairs is it? How many stairs? Now we're not doing stairs anymore, but not as steep.
Where are we at?
We are at our campground in Sorrento, and we are headed out on the Vespas, the scooters, to a night on the town.
And then a cooking class too.
A cooking class. We are at the where are we at, Donna?
Friends.
Excelsior Hotel to have a drink. We showed up and were stopped at the gate.
Isn't it beautiful?
Because he asked if we had a reservation and we do not. But they said they can accommodate the four of us for a drink.
Aw, you did, didn't you? Look at this, Robin.
This is a beautiful. This is a beautiful hotel.
Last night it didn't work.
So Donna, you brought us to somewhere where it's a minimum of 25 euros per person for a drink. I didn't realize you were so bougie.
So bougie. It's the scarf.
There's an elevator right here. Do you think it takes us to the street? Or do you no?
It's going to take you down to the port, and then you're going to have to walk up all those steps.
Or take the lift. So now where are we going? We're going to the
McDonald's.
the bar that's in the alleyway in the little cafe.
Chocolate and with a little bit of caramel. Crunchy, salty.
We will be at the location at 5
And caramel.
Excellent.
What'd you get?
I just got a nut or something in my Carmelo. Maybe it was crunchy caramel. I got crunchy
No, the
Carmelo and chocolate.
Colleen.
And
It's 6 o'clock.
Yeah, but they want
this is the best gelato in Sorrento we've had.
This is very good.
This is Dave's best gelato ever.
Best ever. Best ever.
I think this might be tied with La Romana in Rome.
Yeah.
I think so. But I don't know. I think that still wins.
So I just got the world's champion brain freeze, eating the world champion gelato. It's the best. But it is heavenly.
With the beautiful church in the background.
Also, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. We all love you.
So is it drink time now that we've had gelato? We're going to go to church though first. Okay, church first. Church first, then drinks.
It's already begun. You are my one. We just dance, find romance, a second chance. We don't need to worry at all. In the sun, it's already begun. You are my one, with a simple mind.
Surprise. Oh wait, Dave. Can I have a ride?
Yeah, let's go.
It's already begun. You are my one. We just dance, find
First right and then immediate right. Our friends Dave and Donna treated us to a great cooking class with the Peninsula Experience in Sorrento, where we made tiramisu, gnocchi, and eggplant parmesan.
Io? Robin, Roberta. Io? Riccardo. Look at me everybody. Now I am sharing the coffee with everybody. Remember that here we never mix American coffee. We always make espresso. Why? Because for the Italians, American coffee is black water. It's not coffee.
Rich even tried his first ever espresso.
First of all, tiramisu cream that you can see on the table is made up of 4 ingredients. Do you know what are the 4 ingredients to make tiramisu cream? Milk. If you don't know, let's try to guess. Let's go. No milk. Mascarpone cheese, guys. And now we can start to make our tiramisu. Each one of you make your personal one. All of you wash your hands? Yes. Now, why this part is very, very important. Because if we dip them too much time in the coffee, what happens? They become too soggy and you break them inside. If you don't dip them the correct time, they will be too hard, and then when you go to eat with the little spoon, they will be too strong to break with the little spoon, and you will need a knife. So the correct time when you dip the lady finger in the cold coffee is about 3 seconds. So look at me everybody, can you see me? Lady finger, take them from the center, not from one side. Go in the coffee, touch the button, 1, 2, 3, out. Tiramisu, we cover everything with the chocolate. This is cacao powder. Then after we cover everything with the chocolate, what do we do? You need to be very, very proud of your dessert.
We are at a cooking class in Sorrento, and we just made our tiramisu. We're going to put in the fridge, enjoying the sunset. Now we're going to make some pasta and some eggplant parmesan.
You know this one? What is this one? This is such as a garlic press, but it's much bigger. We use 4 potatoes. In Italy we call schiaccia patate. Why am I changing your life now? Because I'm going to show you how to crush the hot potatoes without the boring part, to peel the hot potatoes and to burn your fingers. Potatoes with all the skin, we didn't peel the potatoes. Remember, I'm going to show you how to skip the boring part to peel the potatoes when they are hot and to burn your fingers. No, you cannot film, this is a family secret. One. What happens? All the potatoes go away and all the skin remain inside. Then you open the machine, you remove the skin by the fork out. You give this machine back to change another life in this world. Then you remove the skin, just the skin out on in the bowl, and the good piece of potatoes there to come back inside. Got it? Now it's time to change your life. So what we do is go faster, go faster.
Let's go!
Go. Potatoes inside, go faster. Only the skin out. By finger, Paola, good job. Only the skin out. Go faster, go faster.
Dave, beat Donna. Come on now. Come on, Dave. You're a cook. Come on, you're the chef. Let's go. Let's go.
You got it.
Finish this up. Let's go. Go left side.
I know.
Let's go.
Woo!
You won.
We won!
Did that change your life?
Oh, that was life-changing.
Life-changing?
We We can slide everybody to make the most global dish of the local people, eggplant parmigiana. Very hard. Dip in the egg and then we fry in the hot oil for about, because now we are going to bake this dish.
The best when you
Half a spoon.
You gotta give me the directions,
Half a spoon.
I already put it wrong.
Half a spoon. There we go. Now what do you got? Mozzarella.
Don't need that one.
Okay, get the match. On the outside only. Outside, all the way around. All the way around. Go all the way around. Come on, Robin.
Critical.
Come on.
Critical air.
You're making it wrong.
Make it
Let's
rain.
make another one there and then another one there.
There you go. Beautiful.
More gentle than when you mix a normal dough. For example, the pizza dough, the bread dough is made up with flour and water. Flour, semolina, whatever you want, and water. So this is much softer than an... Scrub, ladies, scrub everything.
Scrub.
Flick them, never press too hard, press a little bit, go inside, go up. Flick them. Are you ready?
Rich and I just couldn't get the hang of it and had to be schooled by our instructor. Rich, how was the eggplant you made?
Very good. Perfecto.
Oh, look at that, Donna. Very good. Oh, wait. Not Donna.
I know he didn't use breadcrumbs, but didn't he say flour?
There are some fights, but just a little bit. This one you cannot put on the market.
Second stage.
Yes, seconds, yes.
Okay. Is that your gnocchi?
So what we say now? Buon gnocchi appetito. Buon gnocchi appetito, everybody. Enjoy your gnocchi. Buon gnocchi appetito, everybody.
My missing things to later
Erika.
No coffee, no wine, just limoncello.
Oh my God, that's okay.
It's very cool. Never stop. Never stop eating.
We are now part of the scooter gang of Sorrento. We have joined the Sorrento Saturday night scooter gang. Woo-hoo. Join us next time as we get on the scooters and head down the beautiful Amalfi Coast. So you're ending our beautiful night with crappy gelato, is that what I heard? That's it? That's what you said?
I thought we weren't supposed to do green.
Exactly, that's why he's ending our night with crappy gelato.
Which one is this?